Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make saag. Two types of saag here. This is Palak saag and this is mustard saag. I am going to mix both these saags and make. So I hope you all will like my recipe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share. So come on, let us start the recipe, saag recipe with two types of saag. I have cut up the saag. Put some mustard oil. I have taken green chilies, slitted up, about 5 green chilies. Put it in the oil. I have slitted the garlic also. Put this also. I have cut up one medium size onion. This also I will put in. Now I will put in the saag. Palak saag and mustard saag together. Put some salt. I will cover the saag now and let the saag cook till the water dries up from the saag. Mustard and palak saag is ready to be eaten. See how nice it's looking. Thank you for watching my video.